Welcome to this instructional video on Hunter push-fit joints. To make a joint in a Hunter boss pipe or branch, you will most likely need to drill a hole first in the boss adapter housing using a 48mm drill bit. The boss adapter comes pre-molded with a center point for the drill to start on. Position the drill carefully in the middle and ensure you hold the fitting tightly or clamp it to ensure it doesn't move when you drill the hole. There are three sizes of boss adapters. The 32 and the 40mm just require push fitting into the boss adapter housing. The 50mm will require solvent cement, which we'll show you in a minute. Here, the 40mm adapter is being inserted into the boss adapter and generously sprayed with silicone lubricant. Next, the pipe is also generously lubricated and then simply pushed into the push-fit adapter up to the stop. The pipe should never protrude into the soil stack. So that is your 40 and 32mm joint. We're now going to move on to the 50mm joint. The 50mm fitting requires solvent cementing onto the boss adapter the correct way up to ensure the correct 2.5 degree fall. Carefully apply solvent cement to the external of the boss adapter and the internal of the boss to ensure a leak-free and smell-free airtight joint. It's then a simple matter of pushing the fitting over the boss, ensuring you have it the correct way up. For more support, please visit the Learning Centre on the Hunter website.